Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Tuesday the 8th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold, and we're continuing to move higher on gold. And that's the safe haven flows that are being helped by this Chinese trade data news today. The gold price sort of creeping higher, ever higher. You're in this uptrend. It looks pretty solid, doesn't it? And it looks like obviously well, we're set up for a retest of Friday's high, 1279.60, but also if I go back a couple of years on the chart, we're sort of looking at these highs back from January, February last year, which is 1306 as that absolute high. But there's a sort of another. Oh crikey, that doesn't go well, does it? Oh, I know why. Get rid of that. 1285 is that reaction high there from sort of Feb, but the January high is 1306, and that is your key. In my opinion, that is your key level that you need to watch out for. Really is important, I think. I mean, I can talk about again these momentum indicators that for me, I just don't. I mean, don't really do it for me. The fact that the RSI still not really excessively positive. You'd think pulling out for three strong up days in a row in out of four, you'd think okay, the RSI is likely to be quite strongly above 70. It's not. MACD lines basically neutral. I mean, it's positive, yes, but is not pushing higher. Stochastics possibly even rolling over, and you sort of. I mean, I've got to back this as a rally because the price is going higher, but I'm still thinking that at some stage this bear divergence is going to kick in and the price will start to correct. It's just not happening at the moment, but ultimately I think I will be right eventually, but just a matter of when really. But for now, obviously the price is going higher, so you've got to go with the move, and you may well see a test of that 1306 high. But for now, we're looking pretty positive. Oh, wrong one. Sorry, hourly gold. And yes, you are to a certain extent. You could arguably say that you're trading in a bit of a band actually at the moment on gold, between that sort of 1256 area and up towards the sort of highs 1280. But it'll be interesting to see if that move does break out, because you'd say that the move is these indicators are positive, sort of finding support above sort of like the mid 40s is positive. But if you started to see the RSI below falling to sort of a 1 week low or something, for example on the hourly chart, or the MACD lines going negative, could that be an early signal? Well, it'll be interesting to see. But for now, I think you've got to continue to trade this on the long side, but just be very cautious, I would say, with that move. And certainly, you're still sort of pulling higher lows effectively, but you're still arguably in that range. But I think it does look like it is breaking higher. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on gold, and I will speak to you next time. Thank you.